manage this crisis. Number two, we have also directed Treasury to provide resources to our NGCDF and members of Parliament to prioritize the reconstruction of school infrastructure that has been destroyed by the floods. Number three, we have also directed the Treasury, working with the Ministry of Roads and Infrastructure and our military, to provide resources for roads, bridges, and other travel infrastructure that has been destroyed by the roads, by the floods. And we have asked Treasury to work with the resources they have, engage with development partners, and we are also encouraging the private sector to step forward. In fact, private sector persons, individuals, and organizations who wish to contribute to this national effort, the Office of the Deputy President will coordinate that effort, and additional information on how citizens, private sector individuals, private sector institutions can participate in this exercise will be issued by the Office of the Deputy President.
Mr. President, my name is Paul Keobi from TV47. I have a question pertaining to the doctor's strike. How will the government ensure that Kenyans continue to get healthcare services? And another question, what is the status of the dams that were earmarked for the construction by the government? Thank you.
I think let's keep to the subject of this press conference. Other matters will be handled differently. Thank you very much.
Your Excellency, my name is Safina Cheng from Citizen TV. I have a question. Most of the Kenyans are not sure where to go when they are receiving this warning that they should move to higher grounds. Probably just explain to us what exactly the government has done to provide order and organize them to know where to go when they are told to move to higher grounds.
Members of the provincial administration, members of the national government administration officers, our security agencies are already working with communities, with county government officials, on identifying the areas that citizens can be relocated to. There is a whole of government process underway in different parts, especially in the fragile areas that we believe are dangerous and we need to evacuate citizens. So there is already a comprehensive plan run by the Ministry of Interior, working with county governments, working with communities on the ground. And that is why I was saying some community members have demonstrated tremendous patriotism and cooperation by being available to be evacuated, participating in the relocation exercise, and it is commendable that citizens themselves are taking charge of this process, working with members of the national government, the county government, and our security agencies.
Naitwa Sarafi Nairobi kutoka KBC. Swali langu ni kuhusiana na ufunguzi wa shule. Itakuwaje kwa zile shule ambazo wanafunzi walikuwa washarejea shuleni, na vile vile kwenye Wizara ya Elimu tunatarajia kuweza kuona kusoma kupitia mfumo wa kidijitali?
Wizara ya Elimu tayari iko na maagizo na maelezo ya vile mambo ya shule itaendelea kutoka hapa. Tumesema mashule yale yalikuwa yanatarajiwa kufunguliwa Jumatatu, sasa hayatafunguliwa mpaka pale mwongozo mpya utakapotolewa, na wizara inaelewa vile itashirikiana na walimu na viongozi wa mashule kuendeleza sekta hiyo ya elimu kama janga hili litaendelea baada ya wiki ijayo. Serikali itatoa mwongozo zaidi baada ya wiki ijayo. Thank you very much. God bless you. See you next time.